Now it's time to talk about cookery and how you're going to prepare food. I mean, boiling water, that kind of thing. Survival situation pops up, an emergency. You're not going to be able to get on the phone and call for orders to be delivered to you from Uber Eats or DoorDash or any of that stuff. You're not even going to be able to go pick it up. It's all what you have in your planning. Remember pace in your situation. So primary for cooking, if you have an electric range or gas range, that stuff's up. Normally gas, I find, is better than electric because normally when the power and electricity goes out, normally you're gonna have gas. I remember a situation when we were up in Watertown, New York, and they had a great ice storm and all the power was out. Water wasn't coming, the electric was down, but we had gas. So then closed off that one room because it was like, it was like 20 degrees, below 20 at times. We had lots of snow and ice outside, so all the perishables went outside to stay cold, packed them in snow in the cooler, and inside had the range going with the gas, kept that little area nice and warm, brought all the blankets, the pillows in there, could boil water, cook food, it was perfect. So think about these things. What is your alternate plan? Well, you may have a grill in your backyard. Good propane grill. If you have a charcoal grill, you better have a charcoal on hand. You could have a fire pit where you have plenty of firewood chopped up and you want to cook over it. If you're cooking over an open fire outside, a nice cast iron steel pot or a frying pan or something like that over the campfire is a great thing. You can put a lot of food in there and cook it. Just like that, you got your home pots and pans. So if you don't have the systems within your home, think about what do I have outside my home. Coleman camp stove, the 2-burner camp stove, is a great thing. I carry it everywhere. They now make these portable grills that you can carry. You get yourself a smoker to smoke some food, to preserve it. Think about that. What do you have in the outside to do? And inside, like, look at this little MSR backpacker camp stove. Nice little cans of fuel, have lots of backup ones. They have propane ones. There's all sorts out there. And then you can put that on there. You got a little cooking kit. If you're in an apartment, that's a good alternative when your stove goes out, because that gas isn't going to cause you a problem within your home. Alcohol cooker, get a little bit of alcohol in there. It's easy to store. It's another great camp device. This one right here is really cool. Now, put little twigs and sticks in there, and you just start cooking. And that's big enough there that you can put a good sized pot on there, take one out of your kitchen or whatever, and start cooking with. So when you're thinking about cooking and pace, your primaries, clearly when the power grid's up, you got your kitchen going. Your alternate should be your gas barbecue grill. Contingency, it would be these camp stoves, those kinds of things. And then your emergency is to start chopping wood, start getting a campfire going, get you one of your cast iron pots, make you a tripod, just cowboy style, and eat up.